everyone. Today we are going to share one of our patient's audio feedback. His name is Kishan Bansal. He's from Chandigarh and he's of 30 years of age. He was having this tinnitus problem since last 2 years. Because of that, his quality of life was too much disturbed. He used to face irritation problem, noise irritation, sleep disturbance and concentration issues. Because of that, he took a treatment and now he's having 60% relief. Let's hear his audio feedback and his tinnitus journey.
किशन बंसल जी बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया सर अपना ऑडियो फीडबैक देने के लिए।
यस मैम।
सर आपकी एज कितनी है?
30।
एंड सर आप कहाँ से बिलोंग करते हैं?
मैं चंडीगढ़।
ओके, आपको टिनाइटिस का प्रॉब्लम सर कितने टाइम से था?
अराउंड 2 इयर्स।
2 इयर्स। और आपको कुछ आइडिया है सर ये प्रॉब्लम कैसे शुरू हुआ आपको?
मैम ऐसा कुछ specific reason नहीं है, but I used to hear loud music.
Okay. So after that you felt कि there's this tinnitus problem?
Yes ma'am.
Okay. तो आपको इस आवाज के साथ साथ और क्या क्या दिक्कतें होती थी?
Yes ma'am, एक्चुअली रात में स्लीप में बहुत इशू होता था। मतलब जब से ये साउंड स्टार्ट हुआ तो स्टार्टिंग तो शायद पता नहीं लगा, बट जब वो इंक्रीज उस लेवल पे हो गई तो जब स्लीप में काफी इशू होता था।
ओके, तो आपको हमारे बारे में कैसे पता चला सर?
मैम फेसबुक वगैरह से पहले देखा तो कि क्या चीज है, पहले तो गूगल पे सर्च किया एंड ऑल। तो कुछ सपोर्ट ग्रुप में आई ज्वाइन फेसबुक। On 10 I came to know about Spectral Clinic.
Okay, then you came to know about us. So when you know that you had this problem and you went to doctors for that, so what they told you or what they guided you?
They said कि this is a patented solution and there are many feedbacks from the users and they are very positive. And so she said every person has a different kind of profile of this tinnitus. So this device used to be tuned for a particular person.
Okay. So when you started our treatment, in what areas you felt you have started getting better, and in what time you felt it is better now?
Yes, no, earlier I used to get very irritated. So first of all sleep में तो चलो इशू आता था, फिर वो दिन में भी इतना बढ़ गया नॉइज थी आपको दिन में भी, तो उसकी वजह से काफी मैं इरिटेटेड रहने लग गया था एंड फोकस भी नहीं कर पाता था अपने वर्क पे या पर्सनल लाइफ पे। तो फिर उससे काफी आराम आना स्टार्ट हुआ, मतलब साउंड कम हुआ and progressively it slowed. It improved to about 60%.
Okay, so now you're saying that you are 60% having relief.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you know, as there are so many patients who are having this problem, but they really don't know where to go. So from your journey, can you guide them? What can they do when they know they have this kind of a problem?
Yeah, you will don't panic. Some people have posted online, try this oil, try this. So that won't work because I have researched a lot about this. So I think they can go for this device. Actually, I have personally used it. If this device hasn't been in my life, it would have been more difficult. So I will say yes, they should try this device at once and they will definitely feel some relief in their life and from tinnitus.
Okay, thank you so much, sir. So can I put your audio feedback on my YouTube channel to create awareness among people?
Sure.
Thank you so much, sir.